Hi guys, I'm Steph and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you my morning routine. Let's get started. I will start by cleansing my face with the foaming gel cleanser from Lancome. Every time when I clean my face, I like to use a double cleansing technique. Firstly, I'm starting with a cleansing foam and then making sure that my face is clean. I will come again with micellar water from Balea. After I cleanse my face, I like to apply a toner. My favorite one is from The Ordinary, it's glycolic acid. To hydrate my face, I will use two serums. One is a HydraBio serum from Bioderma and the other one is Capture Youth from Dior Plump Filler. From Bioderma, I will put 2 pumps on my hand and then I will apply it on my face and also on my neck. I will let those serums to sink into my skin. In meantime, I will apply a lip balm from the Body Shop, Born Lippy. It's strawberry. And to seal those serums into the skin, I will apply a light texture cream from Clinique Moisture Surge. And for eye cream, I will use Estee Lauder Night Repair Eye Matrix. And after all the skincare routine, I will apply just a little bit of makeup. To conceal my dark circles, I will use 2 products, Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX Cosmetics and It Cosmetics by Bye Undereye. I really like to combine these 2 products because the It Cosmetics one is a little bit too light for my skin and NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop it's a little bit more dark. But combining those 2, it has the perfect undertone, the perfect texture and the perfect color. And for the rest of my face, I won't use foundation. I will use instead a compact powder, the one from Farmasi. It also has a little bit of coverage and it gives my skin a soft blur. apply just a little bit of bronzing powder from Fenty Beauty to give my face a little bit more color and more warmth. And for blush and highlight, I will use for blush the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder. And for highlighter, I will use glowy powder from Pixi in London Luster. And also I will apply a little bit of highlighter in my inner corner and on the brow bone. Eyebrows, I will use Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit and NYX Tinted Eyebrow Mascara. And they will create a natural brow. For my lips, I will use NYX lip pencil in natural and a Kiko lipstick in shade clear. For mascara, I will use Bobbi Brown Smokey Eye Mascara. So, this is my morning routine. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!